Hello, welcome to this very short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do in order to, you know, give access to somebody that wants to work on your YouTube channel. You have a marketer that wants to help you promote your YouTube channel, or your team members you're working with on your YouTube channel, and you want them to have access to your YouTube channel without giving them your Gmail password. This is exactly what you have to do. Go right here on your YouTube homepage. You try to sign in. Sign into your YouTube channel using your normal Gmail account. Now we have signed into our Gmail account, and this is the next thing we'll do. Since we've signed in, what you need to do, you come here, click on this icon. Okay, you go down to your studios. You come down here and click on YouTube Studio. This is the YouTube Studio for my channel. Now, the next thing you do, you come to settings. You come to settings and click on settings. When you do that, you come to permissions. Under settings, you see permissions. Then click on permissions. Now, this is where you grant the request. This is my Gmail account, the owner of this. Okay, so here I'm going to click on invite. I'll now write the Gmail of the person I want to add, my team member or whosoever is working on my YouTube channel. This is why I input their email. So let's just Hillary, right? So come here, you're going to give the person a permission here. So if the person is going to be working with you, editing everything, the person can view everything, manage credits, go live, have permission to delete content. Somebody that is on your team should have some of this. So if you want them to work and have all the power and permissions, you click on manager and you click on done. When you click on done, the person is going to get a notification, and when the person gets the notification and approves to join your team on this channel, the person is going to you're going to see this as approved. Okay, then you can save. But since this is a tutorial, I'll just this is exactly what you have to do. You don't have to do any more thing than that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.